Hello everyone, we are going to work with negative and zero exponent in this video. So let's start with today's video solution. So evaluate 5 power 0 is what? So we are going to use exponent rule. A power 0 is equals to 1. Whether it's 1 power 0, 2 power 0, 3 power 0 is 1. So 5 power 0 is also 1. I hope it's clear. Now let's simplify the negative exponent. So x power minus 3 is, according to exponent rule, x power minus a is equals to 1 by x power a. That means to convert any power into positive, you have to reciprocal it. So x power minus 3 is 1 by x power 3. Suppose in place of x, it's 2. The question is 2 power minus 3. Then how can you solve? 2 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power 3, which is equals to 1 by 2 times 2 times 2, 1 by 8. I hope it's clear. Now I have a question for you. Homework question. Write down your answer in the comments box. 2 power minus 2 by 2 power 3 is what? Which exponent rule we are going to use and what is the solution of it? I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.